another demo from No Magic. Today, we will be demoing the MBSE wizard. This wizard will consist of SysML in its most basic form. As you see here is an overview of what the wizard can do. It's a basic fill-in-the-blank functionality for systems engineers to put their thoughts into a very basic process that then will go ahead and model for you. Modeling is the key to success within building new or more dynamic systems. This wizard shall reduce the complexity of learning modeling right away. Introducing this wizard to your organization will help you functionally put in ideas or concepts or functions into the model in real time. The current wizard has three main diagrams: use cases, requirements, and activities. We will go through all three of these in this demonstration. Now let's get started. Using the MBSE wizard, it comes as an actual project in its current form. As you see here, the MBSE wizard is in a template project. This template has multiple functions that will be utilized throughout the series of events. The wizard can be started here and or here. The wizard will go ahead and walk you through your basics of model. So let's get started with the wizard. As you can see within this diagram option box, you can pick any diagram at any time to start the wizard. Today we will skip the system context wizard. Let's start the wizard. Starting the wizard, we'll go ahead and start with use cases. Go ahead and click next. Who are our actors for our use case? Let's just make this simple for everybody. We have act, we have actor 1, we have actor 2. You have the ability to add. I can keep adding if I please. We have use cases. Let's call this UC1, UC2, UC3. Only 3 use cases. We don't have to use them all, and I'll show you why. Let's build the diagram and select what we're going to use. Let's just say we use everything we've built. Now it comes down to the associations. Let's say that everybody uses use case 1, but only actor 1 and actor 4 use these diagram use cases, and we'll be good. Name it. And in the background, Magic Draw goes ahead and builds the diagram itself. Pretty basic. So if we have use cases, let's talk about requirements. In the same contents, we can have requirements. We can name a requirement, system shall, requirement 2. Since we're keeping with the 3s, let's keep it going. I think you guys get the point. Now, since we've established use cases, we can establish those use cases with these requirements. Use case 1 and requirement. Now I'm doing refines. In the system, we can refine, and we can do multiple use cases. I'll show you what it looks like inside of the table once it's done. Double click. You see here, and refine by. I did have the refine by set up ahead of time. So we can see each one of these, and we can go ahead and edit in Magic Draw. The system shall what? we can edit these in real time. And if we needed to do the IDs, we had the ability as well. So let's get back to the wizard. Since we've done use cases and requirements, let's try activities. Go through the same process. What's an activity? Let's say we have Act 1, and we have Act 2, and let's add a third act. We need to add some inputs and outputs. So we have an input of input 1, and we'll need to create a type. Let's say type 1. We're going to reuse type 1 in the future. Now let's just say we had an output. Output 1. Let's do the same thing for number 3. We have input. The parameter would be of speed, and that's for type 1. And we have an output, and we also have an output for speed, and we have an output for 1. So from your 3 diagrams, you can see, if we go back to our vehicle, we provide the tables, we provide the use cases, and of course, we provide the activities.